In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have your Gmail messages showing up right inside Outlook, so you can read, send, and organize email in one place with no hassle. First, open your Gmail in a web browser and head to Settings. Click the gear icon in the top right. Then choose the option to open all settings so you can see every available control. We're doing this because Outlook connects to Gmail using a protocol called IMAP, and that has to be turned on in Gmail before Outlook can sync your mail. Taking a minute here ensures everything works smoothly later. Next, open your IMAP settings. In Gmail, find the tab labeled Forwarding and POP IMAP. Scroll to the IMAP section and make sure IMAP access is enabled. If it's disabled, turn it on, then scroll down and save your changes. This step is essential. Without IMAP enabled, Outlook can't pull your messages or keep your folders in sync. If you've made any adjustments, give Gmail a moment to apply them before moving on. Now, head to Microsoft Outlook and add the account. Open Outlook on your computer and go to the File menu, then choose the option to add an account. Enter your Gmail address and continue. Outlook will open a secure Google sign-in window. Follow the prompts to sign in and allow Outlook to access your mail. Keep an eye on any on-screen instructions, since the exact wording can vary depending on your version of Outlook. When the setup completes, Outlook will begin syncing your Gmail messages and folders automatically. You'll see the new account in the left menu, typically in the folder list. It often appears toward the bottom as the last option, especially if you already have other accounts added. Your display might look a little different from mine depending on your Outlook layout, but the account name will be visible in the navigation pane. Click the arrow to expand it and confirm you can see Inbox, Sent, and other Gmail labels as folders. The first sync may take a few minutes, especially if you have a lot of mail, so give it time to complete. That's it. You enabled IMAP in Gmail, added the account in Outlook, and located it in the left menu. From here, you can read and reply to messages in Outlook while everything stays in sync with Gmail. If anything seems off, double-check that IMAP is enabled and that you completed the sign-in prompts in Outlook. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined email setup.